When business grows, every load carries more responsibility. Introducing the Tata Ultra E.12, a next-generation electric ICV built for demanding urban and regional distribution. Built on iMove architecture, powered by a high-efficiency permanent magnet motor delivering 950 Nm of torque, the Ultra E.12 ensures a strong pulling power and seamless drivability even with heavier payloads. An integrated e-axle optimizes energy flow and delivers consistent performance. With flexible LFP battery options, the Ultra E.12 offers a practical range of up to 200 kilometers. DC fast charging capability ensures quicker turnarounds and higher operational uptime. The Ultra E.12 is engineered for real-world Indian logistics. A crash-tested cabin and advanced high-voltage safety systems ensure protection for both driver and cargo. A premium Ultra cabin, advanced braking systems and refined suspension. Tata E.12, built to electrify your journey.